Hello everybody. So I don't know if for everybody, if you have been seeing this update by Facebook on your Ads Manager dashboard, you're going to be seeing this. Apple has announced changes with iOS 14, which impacts how we receive and process events from tools like Facebook Pixel. Due to these changes, we will start processing web events from iOS 14 device using aggregated event measures, which support advertisers' efforts to preserve user privacy. While running effective campaign, you may see a decrease in number of reported conversions, and some of your ads may be paused or could stop delivering to certain devices. So it's very simple. It is a new feature by Apple included in the new upgraded system, the iOS 14. So whoever is Apple users will be able to decide whether they want to see your ad or not. With the help of the Facebook Pixel, you have the ability to track anybody you want to track online. So Apple see this as spamming. Do you understand? So they want to make sure their users are protected when it comes to privacy. So that's what they are trying to do. So because of this new development, Facebook has been forced to change the way the system is run. The system will run. So because of that, they made an announcement that we should all try to set up our pixel, verify our domain, then add our event manually. So in this video training, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do that. So let's dive in. If you go to your ads manager, okay, we're on the ads manager already. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to do as if I want to run an ad now. Let's just assume I want to run an ad. You're going to be seeing that. So for you to know you are affected by this thing, if you are affected, this is how to know. When you want to run ads, when you get to a certain place where you'll be asked to select conversion event, so if you click on create conversions, continue. Now let's go to our set where you need to. Okay, so this is the place I'm talking about. When you get here, you're going to see this. You're going to discover that all your events have this warning sign. Do you understand? So which means they are not active, and you can see this thing on the right here, which says this event hasn't been set up on any of your domains, which means you have not been verified. The domain which you are using to run your ads have not been verified. So you need to verify your domain, then add your events manually afterwards. So you are affected if you see this. So this person is affected. I'm using one of my students' account to do it because I've already done mine. So you all demanded for this video, and I'm doing it for you guys. So let me show you another way. So in order to do it, you need to go to Event Manager. So another way is to go to your Event Manager. So actually we're going to start it from our Event Manager. So we're going to let's just jump to our Event Manager. So when you jump on your Event Manager, you're going to see introducing the Facebook aggregated event measurement. So this is a new way of tracking events now. So in order for you to optimize your ad, in order to track conversion very well, you need to make use of this new system. So you need to verify your domain and add your event manually, like I said. So as you can see, you see this place, aggregated measurement, aggregated event measurement. So that means you have been told to do this, so you have been affected if you see this. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, so let's jump in. You can easily start it from here, but I don't know which. I'll just use one of. There are two ways of doing it. You can also start from business settings, but let me just use the event manager method. Okay, so you're going to, on your business tools here, just click on event manager. Wherever you are, just come here, then click on event manager. You can find the event manager right here or below. So once you click on event manager, you are going to see this, like I said. So from event manager button, you jump here, you're on your event manager. All you need to do is click on this. As you can see, all your events are, these events here are not active. Even if they are active, they can't function well for now. Your ads can't run well for now. So this is what we're going to do. So to set up your pixel number properly, to register your domain, to verify your domain, so you need to click on this aggregated event measurement. Then you click on this configure web events. So when you do that, Facebook is going to ask you to verify your domain. So as you can see, this is your domain right here. Cinderella, this is the domain right here, cinderellastore.com, ng.com. So I'm going to click on verify. So it's going to bring us to domain. So like I said, I can actually come here, but so from event manager I can easily navigate here to just the same process I use. So I advise you guys use the same process. So when from your event manager, click on aggregated events like I did, just follow the video and click on add. Click on this button here, add. So you're going to see this field where you're going to add your website URL. So my website URL is, for this person, is cinderellastore.ng.com. So just put your website.com, then add domain. Once you do that, don't bother if you see this thing, don't worry, just click on refresh that page, and you discover that the domain has been added, but you need to verify. So after adding the domain, there are three ways of verifying your domain. Before you can verify your domain, you need to get some shortcodes here from Facebook. There are three ways. This DNS verification will require you to go to your hosting account and put this text DNS text record. You're going to fix this in your DNS account, but this, I want to show you a very simple way of doing this. There's another method here, the HTML file upload. There's another method here, the meta tag verification, which is the one I used, which is very, very easy. So all you need to do is click on this meta tag verification, then copy. Just click on it, then it's going to be copied on your computer clipboard. So when you do that, all you need to do is jump to your WordPress. You all know your WordPress. Login. So just jump to your WordPress. Once you do that, go to plugins. So jump to plugins, click on add new. Then search for this plugin called Insert Header. Click enter. So this is it right here. This is it right here. So click on install now. So once you install, you click on activate. You click on activate, then once it's been activated, come to settings right here. Just come to settings on your dashboard, then click on insert headers and footers. That is the setting for that particular plugin. So just click on it. Once you do that, you're going to see the setting page is going to open up. Now you're going to see this thing called scripts in header. Just put your I hope you all can see my arrow, my cursor. Just put your cursor here, then paste that thing you copied from Facebook. This is it. Paste it. Like I said, copy to clipboard, then paste it right here. Ctrl V. Once you do that, come down, then click on save. Click on save. So once you click on save, jump back to your event to your business manager, click on verify. Can you see cinderellastore.com is verified? Then you click on done. Then so this button right here is still red, showing that it has not been confirmed. But once you refresh here, you are going to see it's going to turn green. It's going to turn green, which confirms that this has been verified. So after this, what is next? Let's jump in. You need to now go back to your event manager and add your event manually. Add your event manually. So you can easily go to event manager. So our business has been verified. We want to add our events manually. So from here, come to just come to click on this again, click on the aggregated event measurement, then click on configure web events. Then you're going to see that the domain here has been verified. So if you click here, you'll see edit. Then you click on edit again. Then here it brings you to where you're going to add your event. So when you click on add events, you're going to see this. So click on this place, highest priority. So you need to add your event from here in the order of priority. So if purchase is your number one priority, you put purchase first. If lead is the second, you put lead in the second position. If it is initiate checkout, if it is add to cart, whichever event you want. For me, I used purchase, leads, so I line them up in that order. So purchase is my number one priority. So let's do purchase, but don't forget to use your pixel. Select your pixel here, then you come here, you select your purchase. Can you see that? So once you are done, you click on add events. Then you add another one, which is the lead. If you have lead, so just add all your events however you want to add it. I don't have to decide that for you. So however you want to add your events in the order of priority, just add them. Then once you do that, you click on submit. So once you submit, changes to apply. Okay, so there you are just supposed to click on yes, I understand these changes, then you apply. Let me refresh it again to confirm. Okay, so as you can see, your event has been added and you are now free to run your ads. So let me go to Ads Manager to see if we are still going to see that blah 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 there. Let me just click on edit to check. I don't have to create another one all over. So I'll just jump to ad sets. So what I want to do now is that I want to confirm if we are going to see the Apple whatever. As you can see, your lead and your purchase are good. They no longer have this yellow warning. They no longer have this. As you can see here, you can see this event hasn't been set up, but when you try to select purchase, you can now easily track purchase. You can easily track lead. So once you add any event, you won't have issues with the iOS again. So verify your domain and add your events manually. This is very simple. This is the simplest form. So I hope you all enjoyed this short training and feed me back however it goes. I love you all. I remain your coach, Paulyaweh.